The Discover It secured card is structured, so you don't pay traditional interest or hidden maintenance fees on the account itself, and your main upfront cost is the security deposit that sets your credit limit. By the end of this, you'll understand how the fee structure actually works, what money you need upfront, what ongoing costs exist, and how people misunderstand the real cost of this card. Start with the core structure. The Discover It secured card is a secured credit card designed to help you build or rebuild credit. That means your credit limit is backed by a refundable security deposit instead of unsecured borrowing. This deposit is the most important part of the cost structure. Now look at how the deposit works. You put down a cash deposit when you open the account. That deposit typically becomes your credit limit on the card. The money is held as collateral and is usually refundable when you close the account in good standing or graduate to an unsecured card. Next is what you actually pay ongoing. The card does not charge a separate monthly or annual fee in the same way many secured cards do. Instead, the main cost comes from how you use the card, not from account maintenance charges. That's a key difference compared to other secured credit cards in the market. Now look at interest and usage costs. If you carry a balance instead of paying it off, you can be charged interest based on your outstanding balance. If you pay in full every month, you avoid those charges completely. That means usage behavior directly controls your real cost. Next is how rewards fit into the structure. This card is known for offering cashback rewards on purchases, which can offset some of your spending if you use it regularly and pay on time. That makes it different from many secured cards that don't offer rewards at all. Now, look at the real fee perspective. Even though there is no heavy fee structure, your upfront deposit still locks up cash. That's the real cost barrier for most users, not monthly charges. Next is the key misunderstanding. People often assume secured cards are expensive because of fees, but with Discover It secured, the cost is more about tied-up capital and interest risk if you carry a balance. Now the key reality. This card is built to be low cost if used correctly, meaning you pay on time, avoid carrying balances, and focus on building credit history through regular reporting. To sum it up, the Discover It secured fee structure is mainly a refundable security deposit with no major ongoing account fees, and your real cost depends on whether you carry balances or not. Next step is simple. Before applying, decide how much cash you're comfortable locking as a deposit and whether you can consistently pay your balance in full each month. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more credit card breakdowns, secured card comparisons, and simple guides that make credit building easier to understand.